So we're taking out this old water softener that is currently not working. It's still a little heavy, got some salt. Old media tank still full. Nice clean workspace. Now we're cleaning up the pipe, prepping it. There was a lot of paint on it, so it took a little while. Cleaning the pipes before we glue it, and then glue in some blue glue. Stand it up and stub it into the garage space. I always like to put a ball valve on the return side with a hose bib. That way I can flush the system on top of doing backwashes to help flush out all the media. Just about done stubbing those pipes in the wall. Here we are. Now the lines came out opposite of what the heater or the water softener are, so I had to loop them around a little differently. Trying my best here not to get blue glue all over the guy's garage floor, so we got some paper towels laid down, taking our time cleaning the joints. Didn't get the best camera view for this, but cutting those pipes and getting them all squared away so we can loop it all together. Completely honest, I was running out of pipe. I think I had about 3 inches of pipe left over by the time I was all done. Unfortunately, brought the wrong size pipe when I came out. Thought it was all 1 inch, but it was really 3/4. Now we got it all installed. Next we'll put in the brine tank, cover it all up. This comes as a 2-part system. There we go. Brine tank plugged in, ready to go. Outside drain, ran it the same way as it was before, secured it to the wall, patched the hole. There we go.